Today we're going to be making the Jalapeno Margarita.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a Jalapeno Margarita. So I will start out with some ice in the shaker and I will do a shot of lime juice.
Fresh squeeze, straight from the lime.
Yes.
Then we're going to do some tequila, but we're doing El Imador, and we've infused it with jalapenos. So that's one jalapeno for a 1.75 liter bottle, and you got to leave it in there for at least 24 hours to get that taste. Now, if you like it really spicy, you can add 2, and then it's going to really
spicy.
But we just did 1, and we're going to pour in 2 shots of that tequila.
Next, I'm going to add in some triple sec, and we got the Patron triple sec. Add in a shot of that.
And lastly, to give it a little sweetness, this is simple syrup, which is boiled sugar and water, and equal parts, and we're going to do 1 shot of that.
And we shake. We're going to strain it over ice.
Oh yeah.
Alright. And then garnish with some jalapenos on top. And there you have the Jalapeno Margarita.
Alright, you ready to try it?
Yeah.
It's Mother's Day, so you go.
Very, very good. It's probably one of my favorites.
That's the best.
Yeah.
Margarita.
Yeah.
That jalapeno adds so much flavor, but spice isn't bad.
It's not spicy. Yeah.
So
It's
good.
very good.
And
you gotta try it?
Yeah, try it. Make it. This is why we drink.
That's why we drink.
Yeah.
Bye.
Alright, see you next week.